Diwali. I'm Kicha, I cook, I eat and I'm hungry for more. Welcome to KichaTube HD. What is Diwali without sweets? Diwali sweets. Today I'm going to be making a Diwali special Burfi. It's my grandma's recipe. She calls it 7-star Burfi. So let's begin. So I have with me here 1/4 cup almonds, blanched almonds. I have 1/4 cup cashew nuts and soaked in 1/4 cup warm milk. So let's make it into a paste. So let's start making the burfi. First, let's add sugar, 1 cup. Gram flour, 1/2 cup. Grated coconut, 1/2 cup. Milk, 1/4 cup. Cashew nut and almond paste that we made earlier. Half a cup of ghee. I'm only adding 1/4 cup of it now. The rest I'll be adding later. Mix it, cook until it starts thickening. Mix thoroughly until there are no lumps. Now it has thickened. Next, let's slowly add the remaining ghee. Next goes in the cardamom powder, 1/2 teaspoon. Now mix. Now it's done. Switch the heat off and transfer it into a greased dish. Wow, the texture is so good. And I forgot to say, the smell is delicious. I can't wait to have this burfi. Now make it nice and evenly spread it. Make it nice and flat. Next, let's decorate it with cashew nuts. Do this before it cools down. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Let's make small marks so that it will be easier to cut. I kept it outside for 15 minutes to cool and our burfi is ready. And it's a perfect sweet for Diwali. Happy Diwali to all of you. May the festival of lights bring all the good things to you. Bye. Mwah. Thank you for watching.